All right, let's try some journal entries now. Go ahead and find your Dursley handout that we used to illustrate step 1 of the accounting cycle. And now we'll go through and illustrate step 2, which is to record those journal entries. Record the journal entries. I'll work through the first one with you so you get a sense of it. Also, go ahead and check the notes, the tip that I posted to help you with the structure, or refer back to your notes from the last video. So I'll work through this first one and then feel free to try the remaining journal entries where we had to record them at your own pace and compare to the solution file that I've posted. All right, so this first one we said, yep, we definitely needed to record it. And we identified the accounts that would be impacted and which account would be receiving the debit, which one would be receiving the credit. We know the only way that we record it is through journal entries. So let's prepare the journal entries. This is for Muggles. January, I think it was 1st. Let me double check. So we said cash will be debited. We remember our guidelines. The account that is receiving the debit should go first. And the one receiving the credit should be indented to the right because credit means right. So common stock will be indented. We've got our accounts, our date. Let's do our explanation. To record owners, cash, investments in company. And I think it was 30,000, right? Debit and our credit. Okay, so we said we have to have date, accounts, and explanation. We're going to leave the posting records for just a little bit longer. We'll get there. And then our amounts. Debits have to equal credits. The account being debited comes first. The credit is indented and comes second. Right? So hopefully that helps. Try the rest and then compare to the posted solution file.